What happened here, Sus Baba?
Daddy is closed for maintenance. Remember, Daddy is closed for maintenance.
Okay, but how long the maintenance will take, Baba?
Daddy, it says you have to go to the other side of the bedroom and I'll make the road clear.
Oh, thank God, goodness you are here, Sus Baba. Thank God,
I
goodness.
saved you
Oh,
from
thank
accident.
you. Thank you. You are amazing.
Yeah.
What's poking out?
Yeah, but I want to.
What do you want to be?
Now.
What do you want to?
Daddy.
What do you want to be?
I want to be an adult.
You want to be adult?
Yeah, I want to.
Where you going?
I want to be an adult.
You want to be adult? You want to be adult? You a big boy.
No, they have to be an adult right now. I want to be a you, Daddy.
You want to be just like me?
Yeah, I want to be just like you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love you.
I want to be like Daddy right now.
Okay. I love you. You feel good?
No.
You don't feel good yet?
Yeah.
Can I give you a hug?
Yeah.
Come here.
I want to.
What do you mean? You want to call the bird to come with us?
I'm gonna try. Even louder. Look! Look at the state! Look at those steaks! Those chicken steaks are bad! It's a slimy situation.
Is it a slimy situation?
Yeah.